Hello everybody and welcome to my first ever episode of Quiet Cooking. Today we're going to be making spaghetti and meatballs. So the first thing you want to do is cut up some garlic, and I'm going to be doing that for a while. While you're at it, please watch until the end where I'm going to share the ingredients and measurements for this recipe. It also helps me grow my channel, so thank you. After you have 2 tablespoons of garlic, let's add that to the other dry ingredients including nutmeg, onion powder, and Italian seasoning, making sure that you clean your workspace as we go. Here's a list including nutmeg, onion powder, garlic, and Italian seasoning again to make sure you have everything. Let's dump that into a bowl with the breadcrumbs. Next, add some milk to the mixture and stir. After that's done, let's put the breadcrumb mixture to the side and get out our meat and eggs to make the meat mixture. After you add the meat and eggs to the bowl, let's add the breadcrumb mixture and mix whatever way you want. I'm going to go right in there with my hands, making sure not to overmix them. If you accidentally overmix it, your meatballs will be tough and chewy, so try not to do that. After all of the ingredients are incorporated, use a medium-sized ice cream scoop and scoop the meatballs out on the tray, making sure you have enough room for them to spread out a little. When all of the meatballs are portioned out, bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And then, when you take them out, they should be firm and hard on the outside and soft on the inside. If you want to cut one in half and check, that's what I did. Look at these. Those are probably the best meatballs I have ever made. Alright, time for the noodles. So I'm just using fresh pasta out of a package. This is my first video and I don't want to mess anything up today. So just cook the pasta as per the directions. If you want to learn how to make fresh pasta, there is a link to my favorite YouTuber, Nick DiGiovanni, down in the description. If you did make noodles, I would love to know. Please reply to my pinned comment down below so I know you did it. So after you take the pasta off the burner and strain it, let's start on our sauce. Like the noodles, I also just used a jar, but we'll leave a link down below in case you want to make your own. The green stuff I am putting in is my grandma's pesto and it makes the sauce so much better. I will also leave a link in the description for something like that too. Since this is my first video, I want to do a little acknowledgement section. So here it goes. I want to start by saying a huge thank you to my grandparents on both sides. They helped me get into cooking, did test runs with me, and even my grandparents on my dad's side let me film at their house. I'm also really grateful for my mom and dad supporting me when I started editing for the first time, which was very hard. But an even bigger thank you goes to my brother, who was the first to watch the final video and helped me a lot with editing. There are so many more people I want to appreciate, but I won't list them all here. Just, if you're on my mental list, thank you so much.